My name is Lindsay Sin, Deputy Secretary for Women Veterans Affairs at the California Department of Veterans Affairs, or CalVet. Coming up in April, we have 2 events for women veterans that we'd like to share with you. On April 4th, we will be at the Hanford Library, and on April 25th, we will be at the Pleasanton Public Library. These events are focused on helping women find employment in their communities. We will have dynamic speakers, a whole branding workshop with Graciela Tiscarano-Sato, as well as employment panels and resume writing tips and job search tips with the state of California. We're really excited to bring these to the community in partnership with the public libraries and the Project for Veterans Connect at the Libraries, as well as with our CalTAP program and the CalVet Women Veterans Division. We also have at CalVet Women Veterans Division a Women Veterans roster where we ask women to submit their email and contact information as well as some details about their military service so that we can stay connected with women who sign up for the roster, promote information about upcoming events or changes in benefits, and have women stand up and be counted so we know where they are and who they are throughout the state of California. We hope to see women veterans at our library workshops on April 4th and April 25th because this is a great opportunity for fantastic information about jobs, job searching, and employment opportunities in their area.